Do you know the cost of a hazardous materials incident? Whether you're in oil refining, chemicals, retail, or biohazards, the cost of these fines can negatively impact your business. That's why avoiding incidents isn't just good for your reputation, it's important to keeping your organization in the black. But there's a lot involved in hazardous materials. You've got to make sure all your data isn't just correct, but correctly filed and retained in compliance with the ever-changing regulations that govern your industry. That's why relying on a company specializing in hazardous materials is such a great idea. Whether you need training so you can do the job with better confidence and accuracy, or you just want someone to take over this headache for you, you need to trust the right company. Like a company who won't push you into their cookie-cutter solution, but who tailors its processes to find you a solution. A company like Transportation Compliance. You probably already know us for our industry-leading hazmat training, how we offer customized and tailored programs, along with ongoing support that we conduct at your business to include your processes, materials, and products. But did you know we offer much more? Our regulatory compliance assessment and audit services ensure you're compliant with all the relevant regulatory agencies within every aspect of shipping, from logistics and distribution to rail fleet management. We also offer MSDS authoring and GHS labeling updates. With our transportation operations services, which process more than 300,000 products per day, at your disposal, you'll no longer have to worry about packing, labeling, and shipping hazardous materials, as we'll partner with you to find the right solution for the business. We'll even integrate all those requirements into a single, robust shipping and security plan, making sure you're compliant with agency mandates and requirements. Say you need tools to help manage your business. Our consulting team will guide you through the maze of regulations to make sure your project, however big or small it may be, is compliant. And throughout the entire course, you can rely on us to make sure your data management is accurate, with 24-hour access to your data, training records, consultation documents, and beyond. We're always on top of every regulation, no matter the industry. That's why companies like these across North America already rely on us. There's no reason to risk being out of compliance with your hazardous materials or safety programs. For the one company who finds the exact solution for you, rely on Transportation Compliance, developing partnerships in compliance safety. Contact us today. Let's discuss what your needs are and how we can create a solution for you. Thank you.